Welcome to DevOps Hands-On Training Online, one-click video series by Balinder Walia. In this video today, we will set up highly available Longhorn storage system for K3s Kubernetes cluster. So without further delay, let's get started. I have a README and a bash script to facilitate this tutorial. And you must have a Kubernetes cluster running, and we do already have a running cluster. So let's just confirm. As you can see, I have a lot of worker nodes here and some master nodes, control plane. And also we have a script in this README, which you can use to do a pre-flight check to make sure you meet all the requirements, especially the Linux nodes I have. I have the OpenSUSE Leap 15 and Ubuntu machines in this case. So we're going to run Zapier install OpenSUSE NFS client and device mapper on the OpenSUSE machines, and on Ubuntu DM setup OpenSUSE and NFS common packages. Once you have installed those using preferably an Ansible playbook, so you can install on all of these machines at once, you are ready to install a Longhorn using Helm chart in this case. So let's run the first command. We would make sure that we have the latest chart downloaded from Longhorn and update. And using the Helm install Longhorn, we can install version 1.91 of Longhorn storage system. I already have run this actually, so I'm not going to be able to run it because it will be already running, but I just want to show you the status of that. Yep, so a few minutes ago I ran. So if we run kubectl get pods in that namespace Longhorn system, you can see all the pods are running. Mainly the Longhorn manager, which manages the entire process on all the worker nodes of managing the storage systems and PVCs for your pods. And there's a UI, which we will go through in a minute. And the instance manager engine, the Longhorn engine, and snapshotter, resizer, provisioner. So Longhorn is a very sophisticated Kubernetes storage system. It allows you to create volumes and snapshot of each volume, so your data is safe. And so let's look at the Longhorn UI actually. So if we run this port forward address to listen on all the interfaces, and port forward 5080 to port 80 for the service Longhorn front end, you should then see this screen, which shows you all the nodes which are available and the total storage available. I have 3.39 terabyte available on all the worker nodes. I even have a Elasticsearch cluster running, so I have highly available cluster running. And if we look at the PVC for the Elasticsearch, it's running and replicated on 3 different nodes. So worker 3, worker 1, and worker 2. So the data is replicated on all the nodes. And in another video, I will go through how to back up your volumes attached to PVC, to pods, sorry, your PVCs to S3 storage buckets, and also how to create snapshots using the built-in functionality provided by Longhorn. So in this video, I just wanted to make sure you have everything you need to get Longhorn up and running in a Kubernetes cluster. Thank you for watching this video. Cheers.